warrior. He's mortal, but not like other mortals. He's different, and not just because of his strength and brawn, but because of his hunger for victory. When most mortals settle, he seeks more. His thirst for adventure and achievement cannot be quenched by the mundane humdrum of ordinary life. Deep within his heart is his calling, something bigger than himself, something which, if ignored, will eat him alive, which he cannot allow, no matter what. But while the warrior is strong, he's not strong enough to pursue his destiny alone. Every victorious hero needs a mentor, which is why he chooses his carefully, someone with a lifetime of wisdom and guidance to share. And while the mentor can't accompany the warrior on the front line, he can help him pave the road to battle, brick by brick. He's ready. He's been preparing for months, and the time has come. Only the strongest will survive. He crosses the threshold, faces fear head on, and steps onto the battlefield. He fights his enemies with courage on this foreign soil. Challenges come, some expected, some not. But he triumphs, collecting scars along the way that shape his character and narrative. He struggles but grows. He falls but rises, again and again and again, until he can't. Warriors never see a crisis coming. It stops him dead in his tracks and makes him question everything he thought he knew about his strength and resilience. But this isn't the end. No crisis is unconquerable. All he needs is to call on everything he knows, everything he's learned, everything ingrained in the very fiber of his being. The warrior must succeed. There is no other option. There are two sides to this crisis. One is the way out. The other is the abyss where certain death awaits. The warrior honors and respects the abyss, but he will not let it consume him. He knows what he needs to do. He must shed the skin of his old self. He must dig deep to understand what led him here and what needs to be done to pave a new road out of here. He must stay strong in his convictions to keep the wrath of the abyss at bay. And the only way to triumph is to get back up and fight. Bloodied and shattered, the warrior stands. The battle is won, and he can finally step onto the new road ahead. His transformation is complete. He is unbreakable, indestructible, imperishable, but it's not over. Now, he needs to accept his new role, rising the ranks from warrior to commander. He has important work to do now, raising other leaders, being their mentor, and teaching them to survive on the blood-stained battlefield. He must raise the warriors of the next generation, keeping the momentum going, keeping the legacy alive, keeping the heart of the warrior beating now and forever.